wheels into none but the best. Serenading steel with the furnace heat. Wheel whisperers, masters concrete. Carolina fixing wheels, rims so high, service so slick, dealership can't top. From the bent to the broke, we make 'em fly, rolling like kings under Carolina sky. Rusty, crusty, looking all busted, bring 'em to us, get them wheels dusted. Color so vivid, streets be envious, rolling Picasso, rim game beat prestigious. Turnarounds, we fix 'em, no stress. Every car, every wheel handled with finesse. Paint popping wild, straight fire, no less. Heads turning round with our Carolina press. Pop culture finish, rims like tapestry. Swiss metal miracles, we the factory. We birthed that joyride, so fresh, so clean. We a Werkz anthem, know what I mean. Just a dream, we the fix it team, rolling like a king. From Hoopty to Ferrari, we make 'em all glisten. Hustle through the grind, ain't no one missing.
Carolina real works all day, all night, right smooth and tight. Fix the ride, no fight. From the curb to the block, all the rips shine bright. Carolina real works, stay gripping the light.
Tire shop mayhem, we're the wheel doctors. Brighten up the streets like we lifted up the Oscars. Fix the cracks, cold black, never slack. Drive by slow, see the rims got your back.
Speed bumps, potholes, we fight the struggle. Take you out the trouble, superstar hustle. Racks on racks, every car show flex. Roll up to the club, give 'em what's next. Carolina real works all day, all night, right smooth and tight. Fix the ride, no fight. From the curb to the block, all the rims shine bright. Carolina real works, stay gripping the light.
Meta, better than killer bass. Rims in the shop will have you shining all night. No crack too deep, no bend too wrong. Carolina Wheel Werkz.
It's Carolina Wheel Werkz, you know the name. Turning busted rims into legends of the game. From the grind to the gloss, we don't miss. Every car that rolls out is Werkz certified bliss. Spin